Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your GLE 350 key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 battery, which is a common coin cell. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have good lighting to clearly see the small components. This preparation makes the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side or back of your key. Press it and slide out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it out. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, insert your new CR 2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them together until they snap securely. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.